I beg you to tell me a better burger spot than Red Robin's. I appreciate it, man. Have a good day. Hello. I'm just picking up an order. Thank you, I appreciate it. You as well. Today we got Red Robin's. We got the Monster Double. Endless fries and a shrimp basket. Let's start off with this Monster Double. Look at that. We got some Island Heat sauce. Probably one of their best sauces there. Put that right on there. Look at that. Ooh. Campfire mayo. Let's try one of their fried shrimp. You gotta throw the campfire mayo on here. Let's do some fries. So good. Let's put some shrimp on there. Next time you go to Red Robin's, try this Island Heat sauce. So good. It goes good with anything, even the shrimp. Name a better burger spot than Red Robin's for me, please. I might try every burger on that menu. Look at that. That was good.